how to buy gains, the gains token. This token it's came under the symbol of gAInzy. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And before going and buy this token, make sure to check the X account first. And as you can see, check their Telegram channel. They included too on their X account. Now to be able to buy this token, make sure to go and find it on the screen, or it's available there. As you can see, if you don't have an account on it, just go and create one. Now this token, as you can see, the liquidity here are locked by 99%. That's good. That's mean your investment in a safe place. Now to be able to buy this token, just click here to copy the token address. And remember, this token is under the Solana network. Now the best choice to be able to buy this kind of tokens, just use your Phantom wallet. This is the best wallet to buy those kind of tokens that came under this one network. Now click here on swap, make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet, click here, and after that paste your token here address, and this is it. Just click on it. Now here type how much you want to buy, wait a few seconds, and as you can see, this is how much you receive. Of course you can increase that amount or decrease it, it's your choice. In the provider, just select the provider from here, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here. And if you're ready to go, just click on swap and you will be redirected to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. After that, if you face any issues, just go back to this page, click here and switch the slip patch from here or custom it, and after that you will be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy the gAInzy token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.